Hello folks, Mundane Man here again, and we are back with our 2010 Jeep Patriot, where we have got another bulb burnt out. This license plate bulb here. I was checking the other bulbs after I did the video on how to change out the front turn signal and running light, and now I've come back here to change out this bulb here. So, it's a pretty easy job. Let's get at it. Okay, this is a fairly easy job actually. It is the left-hand bulb that is burnt out on the license plate here. So we're going to take off this plastic cover and access the bulb. There is this little tab here that holds the reflector in place. I like to use a little screwdriver just to push the tab over and bring the lens down, and it gets right out of your way, and then you can pull the bulb out. Now sometimes they're in there kind of tight. This one wasn't too bad. You can wiggle it back and forth and the bulb will come out. Okay, we got our new bulb. This bulb is a 2825. It's an incandescent bulb. These aren't LED. I think you can swap them out to LEDs if you want, but for license plate light, who cares? So you just got to make sure you line up the bulb properly in the socket and it will click right in. Just like that. And put your lens cover back in. And always, I like to test these things, make sure that it's still working. And there it is. We've got a fully illuminated license plate again. So that's it for this edition of Mundane Man on how to change a license plate bulb on your 2010 Jeep Patriot. Pretty easy peasy, and I think this is similar to, I'm going to say 2007 to 2015 Jeeps are all pretty much the same, these Patriots. That's it for this one. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.